guys, it's me again, Ivana, and I'm going to show you how to make a single chain bracelet. So this is the single chain bracelet. So next, first you will need a hook, a F or C clip, that's it. And then you'll need some bounds. Open boundaries. And then you need a loom. Put one rubber band from this pad to this pad, and one another band from this pad to this pad, right? And then one more band from this pad to this pad, and then another band from this pad. And then another rubber band. This another band from this pad to this pad. So I'm gonna move my camera down to see the whole place. And then some other bands from this pad to this pad. And one other band from this pad to this pad. And then one another band from this pad, and then some bands this pad to this pad. One another band from this pad to this pad, and then some other bands. I will search my favorite color. Some other favorite colors are here. So we were gonna go here to this spot until it sounds bad. So now guys, I'm finished. Let's just start looking the band. And then so here, the last step. Then go under this and go under. Okay. Then put the audio hit is the and just you're gonna grab the pink and the other thing if this color really if the yellow is the only thing, what are you gonna look for is the yellow. Take the green. Sorry. Pick the yellow, pick the orange, the orange, the light blue, the light green, with some red. Oh my god. Yes, so now I'm finished. That's now your secret. And then put this. Then this goes out the rubber. What? So then what goes to us rubber. What? So this is the finished rubber band. This is so stretchy. So guys, thanks for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys, give me a thumbs up.